In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your app icon in Base44 for 2025 using a simple step-by-step process. This tutorial is perfect for those who may be updating their app's branding or simply wanting a fresh look. Let's dive in and make this quick and easy for you. First, we need to open your project. Start by heading over to base44.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're already logged in, then simply locate and open the app you want to edit. This step is crucial as it sets us up for the rest of the process to take place within the correct project environment. Next, we're going to navigate to the settings. In the interface, you should see a menu, typically on the left side or across the top, where you'll find the settings option. Click on settings and then you're going to look for either app settings or branding. These sections contain all the customization options you'll need to edit how your app appears, including the app icon. Now, let's upload the new icon. Within the settings, direct your attention to where it mentions app icon, logo, or favicon. Here, you'll likely find a section dedicated to managing the images associated with your app's visual identity. Click Upload and select your new image file. It's recommended to use an image that is a square, ideally a 512 by 512 pixel PNG, to ensure the best quality and compatibility with the platform. Having the right specifications will help you avoid any issues with the image not displaying correctly across various devices and interfaces. After uploading your new icon, it's essential to save these changes. Look for the Save or Apply button to confirm your new icon selection. Once you click this, Base44 will update your app with the new icon you've chosen. This straightforward action concludes the process, ensuring your changes are saved and reflected across the app, and just like that, you've successfully updated your app icon in Base44. Remember, maintaining a consistent and recognizable visual identity is essential for branding. Whether you're a large company, revisiting your design, or a solo developer experimenting with new styles, I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your new app icon serves its purpose beautifully. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have further questions or need additional tips on using Base44. See you in the next video.